So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in msdt.exe space /id space power diagnostic and click on enter. And now this will come up. You want to click on next. Wait for this to load. And if it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you run this, you want to expand batteries. Now you want to find your battery. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, you want to right click on your battery and then click on uninstall device. And then click on yes. And then when you uninstall your device, you now want to shut down your computer. And then when your laptop is turned off, you want to take out the battery and then unplug the charger. Then you want to plug in the battery again. And then you want to turn on your computer. And then Windows will automatically install your battery again. This should now fix your problem.